हेलो फ्रेंड्स, वेलकम टू प्राइश एजू। दोस्तों, आज हम देख रहे हैं क्लास 5 ईवीएस, जिसमें फर्स्ट लेसन है अवर अर्थ एंड अवर सोलर सिस्टम। आज इस चैप्टर में हम कुछ एक्स्ट्रा क्वेश्चंस विद आंसर्स देखने वाले हैं। तो चलो देखते हैं क्या है इस चैप्टर में। The next is multiple choice questions, and the questions are they have their own light, and the correct answer is stars. Option number 3, stars. Next is they do not revolve around the sun, and the answer is man-made satellite. Third one is this is a dwarf planet, and the answer is Pluto. Option number 2, Pluto. The next question is asteroids are placed between these planets, and the correct option is Mars and Jupiter. Option number 1. The next question is moon is a satellite of this planet, and the correct option is Earth, which is option number 2. The next question is this planet is placed closest to sun, and the answer is Mercury. Option number 2. Next question is this planet is placed furthest to sun, and the correct option is Pluto. Option number 2. The next is this planet is placed between Mars and Venus, and the correct option is option number 2, Earth. Next question is this planet is placed between Earth and Mercury, and the correct option is Venus. Option number 1. The next question is this planet is placed between Uranus and Pluto, and the correct option is Neptune. The next one is which direction should we apply force with respect to gravity to send object from Earth into space, and the correct option is option number 2, against. The next question is man-made satellite does not provide information about this, and the correct option is option number 3, sports. The next one is she became first Indian astronaut to go into space, and the correct option is Rakesh Sharma. Option number 1. Describe in brief stars. The heavenly bodies that twinkle are called stars. Stars have their own light. The sun is a star. It is closer to us than any of the other stars. Hence, it appears big and brilliant. In its bright light during the day, we cannot see other stars. The next question is describe in brief planets and dwarf planets. The answer is the heavenly bodies that do not twinkle are called planets. Planets do not have light of their own. They get light from the stars. Planets revolve around a star even as they rotate around themselves. There are some smaller heavenly bodies that revolve around the sun. They are called dwarf planets. Of these, the most well-known is Pluto. Dwarf planets revolve independently around the sun. They have an orbit of their own. The next question is describe in brief a solar system. Our Earth is a planet. It gets its light from the sun. It moves around the sun. Its movement around the sun is called the revolution of the Earth. Besides Earth, there are 7 other planets that revolve around the sun. They are Mercury, Venus, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, and Neptune. Every planet in a solar system revolves around the sun along a specific path. This path is known as that planet's orbit. The sun, which is a star, and the planets that revolve around it are together called the solar system. Besides the planet, the solar system also includes various other heavenly bodies. The next question is describe in brief satellites. Some heavenly bodies revolve around planets. These are called satellites. Satellites too get their light from the sun. We see the moon at night. It revolves around the earth. Hence, it is called the satellite of the earth. The most of the planets in the solar system have satellites. The planet revolve around the sun along with their satellite. Describe in brief asteroids. Answer is between the planets and Mars and Jupiter there is a band of numerous small heavenly bodies. They are called asteroids. Asteroids also revolve around the sun. The next question is, what is gravity? And answer is, all heavenly bodies exert a force of attraction or a pull on one another. This force is called the force of gravity. The sun exerts a gravitational pull on all planets, whereas the tendency of the planet is to move away from the sun. As a result of these two forces, a planet keeps revolving around the sun at a fixed distance in a fixed orbit. In the same way, satellite revolves around their planets. Due to the Earth's gravity, all things on the Earth remain on it. Even if we throw something upwards with gravity force, it finally falls down to the ground. तो दोस्तों ये थे फर्स्ट चैप्टर के ऊपर एक्स्ट्रा क्वेश्चंस विद आंसर्स. दोस्तों अगर आपको ये वीडियो पसंद आया होगा तो इसे लाइक और शेयर ज़रूर करना. आपके कुछ अभिप्राय रहेंगे तो आप मुझे कमेंट्स के माध्यम से भी भेज सकते हैं. दोस्तों अगर आपने अभी तक मेरे इस चैनल को सब्सक्राइब नहीं किया है तो पहले मेरे इस चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करो और बाजू में दिए हुए बेल आइकन पे भी क्लिक करो ताकि मेरे जो भी नए नए वीडियोस आते रहेंगे उनका नोटिफिकेशन आपको मिलते रहेगा. तो दोस्तों इस वीडियो को देखने के लिए और सुनने के लिए धन्यवाद. हम मिलेंगे हमारे नेक्स्ट वीडियो में कुछ नए टॉपिक के साथ, कुछ नए एक्सप्लेनेशन के साथ. तब तक के लिए दोस्तों धन्यवाद. आपका दिन शुभ रहे. Thank you.